Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited because today we are taking a close-up look at the ABH Riviera Palette. Woohoo! Yes, I'm super excited because I went to Sephora today and I got actually it was not Sephora, why am I lying? I went to Ulta today and I got the last one. Yes, and then I also got the Dewy Set Spray that I really wanted to try out because everyone has been raving about it. This is the packaging. I really like the packaging. And inside of it is the box. Duh. But what I really love about this box, you guys, is that the feeling of it isn't velvety. It kind of feels like almost kind of like a beach bag type of feeling, as if you were a tourist or something and buying a beach bag. That's how it feels. It's not the velvet soft one like on the Modern Renaissance palette, and I really like it. It is eyeshadows and pressed pigments, and when you open it, ta-da! That's how it looks. It comes with this brush and it comes with a mirror, of course, and you could take the plastic off, but I don't think I ever really take the plastic off. It's hard to get off. I need nails to get that off. I don't know what I'm doing. Anywho, so the colors are really pretty. So as you can see, there are the colors. The names are labeled on the front of them. There is Sails, Yacht, Seashells, Palmero, Seaside, Inheritance, Mediterranean, Estate, Cabana, Coastline, Bahamas, I don't even know, oh, Monte Carlo, Canes, and Palm. So this is definitely a spring and summertime palette, which is why I got my yellow summer shirt on. And the pigmentation is really, really good. I'm going to swatch some on this arm right here. I'm going to start with the top row, and so I'm going to do Sails, and I'm going to do it on my arm. Oh, you could barely see that. Let me get a harder. Can't really see that. Okay, so that looks better. I'm gonna take some more of Sails. I mean, obviously this is a lighter shade, so it's not gonna show up super crazy, but still. And then we got Yacht. I love Yacht. Look at that. That's like a super bronze color. Then we got Seashell. I love that. That color is going on my eyelid today. I love that. Okay, then we got Palmero. I think there's a restaurant called Palmero somewhere out here. Ooh, look at that pink. I want that on my eyelid today too. And then that one is Seaside right there. Okay, so this is Inheritance. This is Mediterranean. That's Estate. This is Cabana. Oh, can't really see that. Coastline. This is gonna be a great like transition shade for the colors. The Bahamas. Ooh, look at that pink. Let me swatch it again because that pink is everything. Cabana. Y'all see that? I like that. Monte Carlo. Let me do it again because it's a little light. Monte Carlo. This one's Canes. That's pretty. And then we have, I'm running out of fingers. I'm about to use my pinky for the brown shade, which is Palm. Ooh, I like that. Let's get started with the eye look. I don't know what eye look I really want to do. I just want to touch it and, you know, start doing my thing and see what happens. I'm mad though because I'm already getting fingerprints all over the packaging. Hopefully you guys can see. But what we're going to start off doing is we're going to use the MAC Mixing Medium. And the reason why we are using this is so the colors can stay vibrant on our eyes. So you just take a little bit on your finger and you place it right on your eyelid. To take Coastline right here with a JH33 brush from Morphe. I'm just gonna put that all over the lid. And I am going to take the JH30 brush and I'm taking Estate and I'm just gonna blend together with the Coastline. And we're just doing this to have like a really nice neutral base going on. And I really like the mixing medium because I can literally feel the eyeshadow like sticking to it and not creating really any fallout. But next, you know, we're actually gonna start playing with some color because you guys know how much I like color, and I'm super excited because we are about to take this JH41 brush and we're gonna play in some color and we are going to go with Inheritance. So Inheritance matches my shirt. Oh, as you can see, we're gonna be going with this theme right here. Just want to put a little bit, and you guys see I have hooded eyes. So I don't put too much color, but just enough so you guys can see it. And then to stop the fallout, I usually go the brush tilted this way. Ooh, I'm loving the color. I'm loving it. Ooh, I'm so happy. Then you do the same thing on the other side. Okay, then you're gonna want to go in with the same brush, and I'm feeling like it needs, it's gonna need some blue. Let's go with the blue, the seashells color. Then we're gonna have to take our blending brush and we're gonna go back in with Coastline and blend the colors. Then we are going to go in with the JH 40 brush and we're going to take some of the Palmero color, which I like right here. Just going to take a little bit. Now we're going to bring the color up a little bit here on each side. Okay, so we brought the color up on the side and we gotta blend. So we gotta take our blending brush and we're gonna blend the pink. And so I know we got a lot of colors on here and I know my eyelid is super small, but don't think that because your guys' eyelids are small you can't put a lot of color on them. I like how the blue and yellow low-key made like a green. Like I did not expect that whatsoever. Do you guys see that green, how it turned into green like in the center? Okay, so that's pretty much it for the lid, but we need to go back in. I'm gonna take this brush right here. This is the JH32, and I'm gonna go back in with Coastline gently just to blend more up here. Okay, I feel like I should put something in the inner tear duct, but I don't know what color. I guess we could try the sails. Let's put sails right there. I hope this looks good. I'm gonna go with Estate for the eyebrow. Then I'm gonna see if Palm looks nice underneath the eyes. I mean, this looks good. Let's see. I'm just gonna clean up my under eyes just a little bit. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look and I hope you guys like it. I used a lot of colors, just, you know, some yellow, pinks, and blues, and I really like it. There wasn't too much fallout. Oh, before I forget, I gotta do the spray. I bought the spray. This is the new Dewy set, and it comes like this. Let me open the box. I actually haven't even open the box yet. It looks like this, and so the bottle is glittery, but the inside of it doesn't have any glitter, so you're not gonna get any glitter on your face. So you just turn it to the side and then you just spray. Why didn't you spray? Okay. Still didn't spray. What's going on? Oh, there we go. Okay. It has a smell. It almost has like a coconut smell, but not too like I can't explain it, but it has a little bit of a coconut smell. But I really like it so far. That was my first time trying it, so I'm gonna look at my face. I'm gonna do a little bit more just for the heck of it. Yes. Okay, so now my look is complete with the eyeshadow palette. I love the palette. I'm going to be doing another look with the palette that's not so colorful, just so you guys can see how it looks and how you guys can do neutral colors with it. I really like it because it is not like the Modern Renaissance or the sultry palette and full of neutrals. I love that it has some bright colors because I don't know if you guys have noticed or not, but I like bright colors. I like the springtime, I like the summertime, so yeah. But anywho, if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what kind of videos you guys want, because I'm going to be working on more daily makeup videos for you guys. Again, thank you for watching.